Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily buy Dogecoin or Doge. So what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Binance and you can easily register. And when you're going to fill your registrations and everything, I will show you how you can actually do it. So in Buy Crypto, I'm going to see the bank deposit. You can also change where are you from actually. I'm from Europe, so I got Euro. Then you can see bank deposit and you can go directly currency euro, transfer bank card, ideal, or other payments. And when you got it, you just come here to markets. In markets, you can be in favorite zone, spot, be in spot, and in search coin, write Doge. And I gotta see here Doge. And now I gotta see trade. And then you have options to go to top right, search Doge, and here you got it, Dogecoin. Just click on this pair, like with the Bitcoin or Euro, and now just add amount of how many Doge you want, based on how many Bitcoin you're gonna have, and you can simply buy Doge. And that's pretty much it, and this is how it actually works. It's quite easy. And yep, so if you have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I'm using Bitcoin the Binance for 3-4 years right now, and it's quite safe. And in the beginning on Binance, you couldn't deposit. You had to only transfer from Coinbase. But right now on Coinbase, you are unable to buy a Bitcoin. Let me show you. So when you go to prices and you write, you can buy Dogecoin. You see it here, Doge. You can't really buy it here. What you can do, but you're gonna pay more fees, is to register through Coinbase and then transfer your Bitcoin to Binance. If you want to do it that way, you get also a link down below in the description for sign up and get $10 in Bitcoin for free on Coinbase. So that's what you can do too. But again, it's like really up to you if you want to do it, but that's the way. So this is the way. Thank you very much. Again, you click on markets, you go to spot markets, go to search coin main Doge and Doge and Bitcoin. And now right here on top right, search Doge. And you can choose pairs, choose like Euro here. And now just add how many. It depends how much you have here, and then just buy Doge, or you can sell Doge. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and buy Doge. Good.